Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Raz Consta and this is my presentation for the UW Summer Colloquium. A little bit about myself. I'm a senior at UW Tacoma. I will graduate next March. I'm pursuing a BS in Computer Science and Systems and a minor in Math. Currently, I'm a software engineer intern at West Monroe. A brief overview about the company. West Monroe is a multidisciplinary consulting firm. It's focused on creating digital solutions for its clients. There are over 2,000 employees in 8 US-based offices and 1 London office. On the right, you can see the Seattle office building, and on the left, you can see the nice view we get from the 23rd floor. This summer, I was assigned 2 projects, and I worked on them in parallel. My first project was called Parabola, and it is a digital wallet that keeps track of various cryptocurrency coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Its intended users represents actual banks who can perform crypto transactions using client accounts and offer benefits to customers. Some of those benefits are like savings accounts, the ability to take out loans using cryptocurrencies, since the users would be able to use the cryptocurrencies as collateral. My contributions started with implementing the line chart logic using a database library. That logic consisted of taking a mock response and using that data for the line chart, while using red to indicate a negative trend and green to indicate a positive trend. Next, I implemented real-time crypto trend data that will show the 7-day trend for each of the covered cryptocurrency. After that, I implemented a crypto transfer between 2 Solana wallets using the Web3 API. Finally, I presented the progress to stakeholders, which include others on the team and the business team as well. My second project was the project pricing tool, which is a web-based app aimed to help West Monroe price future client projects. The goal is to have reliable service and provide a good user experience. The front end was built using React, TypeScript, and the back end was built with C#. My contributions started with implementing some front-end components to the website. Then I set up deployment scripts in Microsoft Azure DevOps. Next, I had the role of Scrum Master and I took over one sprint. The image on the right clearly outlines the role I had as a Scrum Master. I facilitated sprint planning meetings, daily stand-ups, retrospectives, and assisted with product backlog. Lastly, I presented my team's progress to the greater West Monroe team. I have learned a good mix of technical and soft skills from this internship. For technical skills, I learned new languages such as React, TypeScript, Node.js. I learned how to implement continuous integration pipelines, which are the build scripts I mentioned before. I got more experience with GitHub, and I learned how to use Azure DevOps, which is a very complex piece of software. I also learned to use a database library and a couple of cryptocurrency APIs. For soft skills, I improved my time management a lot, since I had 2 projects to work on and I had to balance team meetings, one-on-one meetings with others at the company, and intern events. I also got experience with learning on the job, whether that is using Google or getting very efficient at asking others for help. I'm more confident in my abilities since everything I had to do in this internship was new to me, and I saw I'm able to quickly learn on the job using the fundamentals I learned during my computer science degree. Also, my presentation skills were improved by the 5 presentations I had to do during my internship, and my networking skills were improved after many one-on-one meetings with others at the company. Since West Monroe has a people-first approach, we were encouraged to network with others outside of our team or practice. This is all I had. Thank you for your time.